St. George's Church, Lukova, Czech Republic. What if the spirits of the past could be captured and brought back to life, even for a brief moment? St. George's Church in Lukova, Czech Republic does just that. This abandoned church, left to decay for decades, became the backdrop for a chilling yet captivating art installation. In 2012, artist Jakub Hadrava transformed the church's deteriorating interior by installing life-sized, ghostly figures seated in the pews, made from burlap and plaster. These eerie, lifelike sculptures now fill the once quiet church with an unnerving sense of presence. The figures seem to be frozen in time, trapped in a moment of worship, yet somehow, they feel alive with the energy of the past. The figures' hollow eyes and draped clothing create an almost haunting atmosphere that seems to invite a deeper reflection on the idea of life, death, and what happens when a place built for worship is left to rot. Though the church itself is slowly being consumed by nature, these spectral visitors give it a strange sense of purpose once more. The combination of decay and eerie art offers a haunting but strangely beautiful experience for anyone brave enough to walk through its doors. St. George's Church might have been abandoned, but thanks to this powerful installation, it has been given a new life, a testament to the ways art can transform spaces and make them speak again.